Hi Vince, hi Shunsuke. Thank you for being with us today. For our viewers, can you please start by introduce yourself, your role, and the company you work for?
Well, my name is Vince Meng, and I'm the project manager. I work at CADMAKERS.
Yeah, I'm Shunsuke. I also work at CATMAKERS, located in Vancouver, BC, Canada. And yeah, my role is a digital manufacturing automation lead.
So what are the challenges of CADMAKERS today?
We're dealing with mostly complex projects, complex construction projects or other design that we will need to make the process faster and smoother and improve efficiencies. So not spending too much time doing manual work. And then, we're always looking for a way to make that better.
So what about the collaboration inside the platform between CATIA and Delmia?
Yeah, we do some model design and process planning. We also try to implement some process planning to some of our construction projects. And also sometimes like there's going to be some 3D models, that's attached to the process planning side of things. And yeah, that's definitely there.
Mm-hmm. What's the biggest benefit?
Since it's under the same platform, 3DX umbrella, CATIA can, whatever we design in CATIA can directly carry it over to Delmia to start working on manufacturing. So we don't have to go to external software. It's all done in one platform, which is great. It's very streamlined. We can collaborate the design team with manufacturing team. That's very smooth and streamlined, which is very powerful.
What about the quality of the product or the smoothness of the process?
We had a lot of successes using 3D Experience platform. Like Shunsuke said, like the fact that everything is enclosed in one platform, that the export importing, which is always a pain point for any other software platform, if you're using several, is always bad. But that was just gone in the 3D Experience platform, and then yeah, it was good.
Can you imagine do the same job with a traditional modeler or?
I wouldn't say it's impossible, but it's going to take a lot of time, a lot of manpower. Like it's the kind of things that you look at it says, I can do it, but I really don't want to.
I would like just to know a little bit more about your point of view compared to the competition software. What are the key difference between CATIA and the competitors?
Yeah, in the construction domain, most of the most commonly used software, they're pretty good for the typical constructions. You have a condo building or something that you really need to get the model right. And also the capability of like doing automation and doing parametric modeling. CATIA has almost unparalleled advantages.
Thank you, Vincent. Thank you, Shunsuke, for being with us today. And thank you also for sharing such a valuable insight.
Yeah, thank you for having us.
Thank you very much.